Hey everyone, it's Paula. I'm back with an update on the Tamla Horsford story. I have some really sad news to report. As of today, Tamla's death has been ruled accidental and the investigation has now closed. I cannot believe it. I'm going to include some news clips and then we'll come back and discuss.
Mysterious death of a woman at a Forsyth County house party is now getting attention from all across the country. Her best friend says there is no way that woman fell to her death. And as the story continues to spread on Facebook and social media, people are demanding answers.
Channel 2's Mike Pachinik in Forsyth County now, where he broke the story and now has exclusive video showing the victim the night before she died.
Happy birthday to you.
This video a source gave to us shows a November adult slumber party at a Forsyth County home. Among those attending, mother of 5, Tamla Horsford. But after a night of fun,
she's laying in the yard down, basically on the patio downstairs.
A gruesome discovery. Horsford dead in the backyard.
She's not moving one bit. She's not breathing.
The man calling 911 is Jose Barrera, the homeowner's boyfriend, seen in this clip of the video.
I'm guessing maybe she fell off the balcony.
According to the death certificate provided to us by a source, the coroner appears to have taken Barrera's word for it, ruling her death an accident. A fall from a deck that caused, quote, multiple blunt force injuries, and that a contributing factor was, quote, acute ethanol intoxication or alcohol poisoning.
But it's impossible to get the injuries that she had from one fall.
Horsford's best friend, Michelle Graves, says the family's hired medical examiner found extensive injuries all over her body. Do you believe somebody murdered her?
I do believe that her life was taken from her, yes.
After we reported on Horsford's death last week and about how Forsyth County fired Barrera from his job as a probation officer for misusing his position to access the incident reports, more than 200,000 people viewed the stories and shared them, demanding justice for Horsford on Twitter.
We're glad that we're not the only ones that feel there's definitely something awry with the story and with how she lost her life.
Back out here live at the Forsyth County Sheriff's Office, where investigators tell us just this week they got a final copy of the toxicology and autopsy reports, and they plan to update us soon on their investigation. Meantime, we got a statement from the attorney for the homeowner saying everybody at that party has been cooperative with detectives. And in that statement, they say, quote, each of the party goers and their families have received death threats. That's right, death threats on various social media postings. The threats need to stop, they say. This tragic accident is exactly that. An accident. It is unfortunate, sad, and unbelievably heartbreaking to her family and friends.
Now that clip was from yesterday, and as you heard in that clip, Jose Barrera was the one who called 911. Okay, the person who was tampering with the investigation, by the way. But anyways, here's a clip of Tamla's father from today after hearing about the her death being ruled accidental.
The father of a Forsyth County woman who died at a house party says his family does not believe the sheriff's office conclusion that her death was an accident. Tamla Horsford's death has gained international attention this month. Channel 2's Mike Pachinik is live at the sheriff's office, and Mike, the family has hired its own pathologist, and they have a very different theory, even though police today closed the case.
They did close the case, Jovita, and the family says their pathologist has different theories about some of the injuries on Horsford's body. The family says their fight for answers is not over.
This exclusive video a source gave us shows Tamla Horsford in the last hours of her life last November at an adult sleepover birthday party at this Forsyth County home. The next morning,
I'm guessing maybe she fell off the balcony.
partygoers found her dead. The homeowner called 911.
We had people over last night when we were drinking. Most of us went to bed. One of them stayed on the balcony. She was drinking, and we just went outside, and she's laying face down in the backyard.
The state of Georgia medical examiner has ruled the death accidental and consistent with a fall.
Wednesday, Forsyth County Sheriff's Major Joe Perkins announced a GBI-led autopsy found no signs of foul play.
No evidence or injury patterns indicative of an assault.
Horsford's father spoke to Atlanta DJ Ryan Cameron's radio show after the sheriff's announcement.
Her injuries
are not consistent with what they're saying. This is so fishy. I just don't want it to get out of hand.
Her father says a pathologist they hired found injuries on Tamla's body they believe happened after she was already dead. They believe someone may have tossed her body off of the deck.
Her wrist was cut. The bone was broken. Where they say the body was, there was no blood pool. That means she was already dead.
I reached out to the attorney for the homeowner, but have not heard back this afternoon. They previously called this a tragic accident and said everybody who was at that party was cooperative with detectives. Live in Forsyth County, Mike Pachinik, Channel 2 Action News.
Mike, yesterday I know you mentioned the toxicology report could be coming soon. You know, some are saying that she was drunk and maybe that's how she fell off the balcony. What do you know about toxicology today?
Well, we can tell you that the death certificate said that a contributing factor was alcohol poisoning in all of this. The toxicology report is finished. We have filed an open records request for it, and the sheriff's office indicated to us they might release it as early as tomorrow. So we'll keep you posted, Jovita.
All right, Mike Pachinik in Forsyth County, thank you.
Now, you guys cannot tell me that race did not play a role in all this. All right? If this situation were reversed and it was a white woman who was found murdered and she was among the company of all black people, there would be absolute outrage. Okay? I don't understand how they can rule this an accident. The toxicology report hasn't come back yet. This is ridiculous. But you know what? We will not stop fighting. I want you guys to join me in this because this woman's family, they need justice. This is total bullshit. Total bullshit. And I'm angry. You know what? This case creeps me out. I've gotten threats since I posted my first video. And I should also show you something very strange that's been happening, okay? I'm going to show you a screenshot I took of a comment from someone claiming to be Tamla's son. When I first posted this video a few days ago, the first comment I got was from this person, Ace Jays, where he said, "This is not your business." He also told me to delete the post, and I did not, obviously. And I just thought it was somebody trolling me, no big deal, whatever. But then today he said, "I'm the son of Tamla." And then he posted also, "I'm the son of Tamla, and you're going to tell me to shut the F up." Somebody told him to shut the F up. It wasn't me. Somebody else in the comments said that. It's not something that was supposed to be leaked. So I don't know if this is her son or not, but I find that to be strange. If you're her son, why would you not want this story to be leaked if we're seeking justice for your mother? Yeah, so this story has a lot of twists and turns. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for the discussion, and I'm going to keep you guys up to date on her story. We're not done yet. We're going to keep trying to seek justice for her. Thanks for watching, and let's just keep the discussion going in the comments. Thanks. Bye.